Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use setState function. Okay. So here I am adding an app bar with the title, text, setState, if we save, setState will be appeared here. So in body I am using column open, and here I am going to add a text. I am going to add a variable called sample. Go to something. Okay. I'm going to make it display here. Sample. Response. Now in scaffold I'm going to add a floating action button. Floating action button. Your floating action button. If we click here, on first, required argument is on first, and here child, we are going to add icon. Here we can see the parameters, key size will. So here icon dot add, so icons dot add. If we save here, floating action button will be displayed. So I have to make this floating action button in the center. So now I am using floating action button locator. Using this I can change the position of the floating action. To change the position, you just type floating action button location dot, and all the possibilities will be displayed here. Now I am using center float. You just check it out. It just comes to center. So whenever I press this button, here I am using 0. I'm making this as like this. Okay, to make it a string, since this is an integer, the parameter here should be a string, so I just make it as like this. So whenever I click this button, this text must be displayed. Sorry, the type string is not a subtype of int. So toString. toString is a function which converts integer to string. We save it. Just let's run it again. Yes, here it displayed. With center it, wrap with widget center, it will come to center, and we have to make it as column center also. Main axis alignment center, since the width, the height of the column is full, it comes to the center, right? Now we have to use a setState. Just change the value of the sample plus just save. Whenever you click, the number will get increased. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So thank you for watching. subscribe for more videos. Thank you.